In the hot desert, there lived a scorpion known for its poisonous sting. One day, while walking in the hot sand, the scorpion encountered a venomous snake. They were initially suspicious and afraid of each other, but after talking, they realized that they both possessed unique abilities that could help each other. One day, they were approached by a fox that wanted to eat them both. At the right moment, the scorpion stung the fox, and the snake then coiled around the fox, killing it. Finally, both the scorpion and the snake survived the fox attack. They lived peacefully, helping each other.